From the simplest shapes, we can tell the story of the greatest mystery in nature. Even a paper whale can lead us into the deep. In the depths of the ocean moves a giant, its body a kingdom of trillions of living cells. Each one could fail, but doesn't. Why does life protect it in a way we still don't understand? This mystery is called Peto's Paradox. It tells us that the size of an animal, or the number of its cells, does not predict its risk of cancer. A mouse, a human, and a whale all face surprisingly similar odds. But why? Every cell division is a tiny roll of the dice. When a cell copies its DNA, it can make an error, a mutation that sometimes becomes cancer. Humans roll this dice inside about 30 trillion cells. Blue whales have around 30,000 trillion, 1,000 times more. And because they live almost as long as we do, they throw those dice millions of times more often. Statistically, they should be full of tumors, but they're not. How does a whale's body win a game that mathematics says it should lose? Humans have only one copy of a gene called TP53, the guardian of the genome. Elephants have 20. Whales have several of their own powerful versions. They act like gatekeepers. When a cell goes wrong, they stop it instantly and destroy it. Cancer never gets the chance to begin. Whale cells also repair DNA damage with extraordinary precision. In laboratory tests, their cells withstand several times more radiation without permanent mutations. Inside them works a microscopic pit crew fixing every error before it spreads. And their metabolism is slow. Their cells divide less often, fewer throws, fewer mistakes. The bowhead whale can live more than 200 years, and yet cancer is almost unknown to it. A giant must protect itself from cancer, or it wouldn't survive at all. Over millions of years, natural selection rewarded the lineages that could stop tumors early. That's how cancer lost its power in the giants of the sea. We're only trying to understand how, but scientists are only beginning to understand how whales built this invisible armor. Deep inside their DNA, they carry extra copies of repair genes like a biological insurance policy written by evolution itself. Each time a cell is damaged, these genes rush in to fix the mistake before cancer can begin. And, the most astonishing part, the same protection could one day be given to us. If we can learn the whale's secret, we might not just cure cancer, we might prevent it entirely. Maybe nature already solved this puzzle, we're just late to notice. Scientists are now searching for the answer. What do whales do differently? If we can trace their genes and repair systems, we might one day give humans the same protection. Maybe the key to stopping cancer isn't in a lab, but deep in the ocean? What if the whales have already discovered what we're still searching for?